Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to be talking about the Wolf Pup 18RJB. This camper comes in at 22 feet 9 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just over 3,500 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your tongue jack with the handle that you can flip over and use a cordless screw gun to run this up and down. 20-pound LP tank bottle that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your Group 27 deep cycle marine battery because we have the juice pack option here, which means we have the solar panel up top and the battery that comes with it. Diamond plate rock guard with the curved radius front end. Up here we have your front storage compartment. As you can see, we have the light built in with it. Lots of storage and spare tire comes with it. We do have your manual stabilizer jacks. We have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. There's also an LP quick disconnect. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that with you, tap it in right there and use the gas on the camper. Down low here, you'll notice this wolf head emblem. We have this holographic light that shines down. So at nighttime, really pops, stands out, and separates you from the others here. We have this power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable. So if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Oversized grab handle. We have the sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable as well. Full-size entrance door with the black tempered glass, which has an integrated window and a full-size screen door here. We have a vent. Since it's a toy hauler, you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road. That way, if you have something with fumes in there, you can keep it aired out. Really nice picture window here. We have your TV bracket, same bracket on the inside. So you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and slide it right in. As you can see, the center cap is popped off. These are the quick, easy lube axles. They also have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. The side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. TV connections here and your outside speakers that light up blue. In the back, we have your leash latch. We are pet friendly, so the furry family members can tag along. Ramp door patio system. This is already set up for you. It's got the little screen attachments on each side as well. Up top comes with a backup camera and an LED light so you can see behind you. Up top, we actually have a prep for a roof ladder, so you can buy that separately. So you can go up there and maintain the caulk on the roof there. Your other air vent here. Down below, we are going to have a sewer hose holder, so you can store that down below when not in use or while traveling. Here we have your furnace vent and your range vent up top. LED light right by your dump station here. So down below with the dump handles, gray handle for the gray tank, black handle for the black tank. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Outside shower with hot and cold water. Here we have your water connections. We have the fresh water on the left. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you'd fill up your water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. We have your city water here, so that way if you're at a campground, you just hook up your water hose and that'll pressurize the lines for you. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater, which is gas only since it's on demand, but about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. Does a great job. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18RJB. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice they have another light shining down with the Wolf Pup emblem there. We got the front bed with the bunk up top, the bathroom directly across as you walk in, and nice open back here. We got the kitchen on the right hand side, patio system, and then we'll go ahead and get started right over here. Right beside the entrance door, we have your main control panel that will control your lights, your water pump, and run that awning in and out. It'll also show you how full and empty your tanks are. It is Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to it and run some of those options that way. Here's an inside look at one of those vents. TV bracket on the wall with the connections up top. We have your windows over here with the night shades already pulled. We'll take a look down here at the floor. Show you all the tie downs that come with it. There is one right around the corner there as well. But as you can see, they go all the way back. And up on the ceiling, we have your air conditioner with the controls right on the AC and your speakers in the back that light up blue and the subwoofer as well. Overhead storage over here on the left-hand side. In the back, we have your dinette, which can also break down into another sleeping area here. Table is completely removable. And the patio system really opens everything up. We have this screen wall. As you can see, it is rolled up right now, but we do have the screen wall option, so you can roll that down, keep the bugs out, help keep the air in as well. Over in the kitchen area, we have your stereo and your voltmeter up top. Since we have the juice pack option, we have the voltmeter. Stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. Overhead storage, microwave, your range vent, which will vent to the outside. Very large kitchen window, high-rise faucet. Nice counter space here. We have this huge single bowl sink. Also comes with the cover, so you can use that as prep space if you're not using the sink. 2-burner stove, again with the glass cover, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking as well. More storage down below. And over to the right, we have your furnace. Underneath the refrigerator, we have your converter and your breakers and fuses. Over here on the left-hand side, we have your carbon monoxide detector up top. 12-volt cutoff switch with the red key, so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery. We have this 12-volt refrigerator, which is more of a residential size. It does not need the same ventilation as the old gas electric style. So this goes all the way back. You get quite a bit more storage with it. Right here we have your thermostat for the furnace. And now we will take a look in the bathroom area. Right inside we have your toilet down below. Up here on the left-hand side, we're going to have your thermostat for that on-demand water heater. You will turn that on and off here and control the temperature. Up top above the shower, we have a vent fan. And in the shower itself, with the shower head here, nice big rectangle shower. We also have a sink area in the corner of the shower as well. And of course the curtain to pull across. Now moving up into the bedroom area, we're going to have your queen mattress down below with the bunk up top. So you can see the bunk mat already up there with the mattress. Down below, it's got a headboard up there for some storage, a light on both sides, 110 outlet, and 12-volt charge port over there. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18 RJB. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.